Is it better to use gel or liquid soap for this trick? Liquid soap is generally better because its lower viscosity and higher spreadability let it coat and penetrate fine gaps more quickly than gel. For plumbing tests that rely on soap bubbles or lubricating seals, use about 1 teaspoon of liquid soap mixed with 1 cup of water to create a reliable soapy solution. Thicker solutions are not necessary and can leave residues. Apply the mixture with a small spray bottle or a cloth so you can target joints, threads, and valve stems without over-applying. Excess soap can run into traps and create foaming issues later. If you need a thicker bubble solution for leak detection, add a small pinch of sugar or a few drops of glycerin to increase film strength without using a gel. Avoid detergents labeled for heavy-duty degreasing because their foaming chemistry can be too aggressive and make readings inconsistent. After testing, rinse surfaces with clean water and dry them to prevent soap scum buildup and to preserve seals and finishes. Common mistakes are using too much product, which creates excessive suds that mask weak leaks and can create a false sense of security. Use the smallest effective amount and blot rather than soak. Another frequent issue is using gel soaps that cling and do not spread into narrow crevices, so leaks remain undetected. Switch to a diluted liquid soap for better penetration. People also often skip rinsing afterward, which allows residues to attract dirt or degrade rubber components over time. Always rinse and wipe dry once the test is done. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services related to plumbing product choices and test techniques. We also help contractors find work and connect with neighbors. And we host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners share tips and ask questions.